Hi, so in this video we are going to see that how do we solve this problem. So 10 to the power 20 over 20 to the power 10. If you look at them carefully, this 20 in the denominator can also be written as 2 times 10 raised to the power 10. The numerator is untouched as of now. Then we can individually take power 10 to both the terms using this rule. If I have ab raised to the power m, then it will be a to the power m times b to the power m, means powers can go individually to both the terms. So that will give me 10 to the power 20 over 2 to the power 10 times 10 to the power 10. Then the next step is we can deal with 10 to the power 20 and 10 to the power 10 together. They can be written as 10 to the power 20 minus 10, and that will be 10, and over here I have 2 to the power 10. Then I can split further 10 to the power, or I can split that 10 as 2 to the power 10 times 5 to the power 10, because I'll use the same logic, okay? And in the denominator I have 2 to the power 10. Now very easily we can cancel them and I will be left with 5 to the power 10. So the answer for this question will be 5 to the power 10. I hope that the rules what we have used in this question are clear to you. Try to do the same question on your own so that you will be able to solve any of the question from next time.